So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing fail to start game error problem in Minecraft Bedrock edition, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I'm showing you why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can follow these steps. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. First, close Minecraft and the launcher. Make sure everything Minecraft related is closed. Open Minecraft directly, not the launcher. Press Windows key. Search Minecraft for Windows. Click Open. If it does not open, repair the app. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Find Minecraft for Windows, click Advanced Options, click Repair. Or you have to backup your all worlds in Minecraft. Restart your PC. This is important, don't skip it. I hope guys you understand what I'm saying. If you guys having any other problem, comment me. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.